What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing well. For reference, today when I'm filming this, it's Wednesday, November 4th, so you're probably watching this like at least a month later when this comes out. And I was just thinking about how it's, getting to be time to decorate for Christmas. Normally, I decorate my therapy office for Christmas just a little bit too to make it a little more festive. And I had this moment of thinking, am I going to decorate my office this year? Because I don't know about you all, but I'm still meeting my clients exclusively via teletherapy. So I thought, oh, what's the point? But once I thought that, I felt very sad. So sad that, in fact, instead, I decided it would be really lovely to go a little bit extra and all out on decorating my therapy office, particularly the background that my clients can see when we're meeting during teletherapy. So there's about an hour until it's time for me to go pick up my daughter from daycare. I think this holiday season is going to be particularly difficult for everybody across the board, including my clients. And if I can just put a little bit of Christmas decorations in the background, I know that's not going to solve anybody's life problems, but hopefully it will just add a little bit of a sense of normalcy into the chaos that we're in. So I'm going to use this hour and see if I can find some Christmas decorations on the cheap for my office. Y'all, we did it. This was only 20 bucks at Goodwill. Uh-oh. Getting into my car is a whole other matter. All right, we got it. It's like a small child. I'm gonna put it in the back. I also got a sweet light up tree topper star, so I think we have our theme picked out for this tree. It's gonna be gold. I'm $27 in so far. I like a good price hunt thingy. Well, I feel like I just made out like a bandit at the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. Okay, so it looks like my theme has developed. We're going with gold and white as our theme. It just felt, I don't know, angelic. Not that therapists are angels, but sometimes I like to branch out from the traditional like red and green stuff. So I threw down $13 at the Dollar Tree, and I'm not going to buy any more ornaments than this. I'm going to use these little poinsettia things that like ornaments. I didn't find the kind of ribbon that I would usually like to use on a tree, so that's one item that I will still probably go buy. But other than maybe some nice ribbon, I'm going to try to spend $0 more on this office decorating extravaganza because I'm a little frugal. So far I'm all in $40. I feel pretty good that I got an entire Christmas tree and all of its decorations, hopefully for that amount of money. We'll see if it turns out. Oh, and pro tip, if you want cheap stuff to look more expensive, it's really helpful to pick a theme, particularly a color theme. Somehow it makes cheap things just look better. Pro tip. All right, now it's time to pick up my daughter from daycare. It's time to set up for Christmas. Today is Saturday, November 28th, the Saturday after Thanksgiving. A perfect day to decorate for the holidays. And normally I don't work the Saturday after Thanksgiving, even though I normally work Saturdays, but it's a weird year, so I offered it to my clients because, people could use a little extra support. But before I see my clients, I'm gonna see how much decorating I can get done. I'm not sure how far I'll get. Marie, you got this. Oh yeah, oh it worked. Theoretically, it's going in this corner. I'm gonna see what comes out of here and set up whatever it is. And I'm gonna watch Noel on Disney Plus. It could It could be worse, but it could be better. It appears that it was a pre-lit Christmas tree at some point, and the top 2 tiers still have the lights attached, but somehow the bottom tier doesn't have any lights attached. Anyway, fortunately, I got some spare lights in my car just in case this happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach those and see what happens. All right, I added some Christmas lights. Honestly, I have no idea if this is gonna work or if the Christmas lights up top are working, so let's just plug the whole thing in and see what happens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, did that for real just work? Are you kidding me? Hey, it worked. This is workable. Goodwill purchase for the win. All right, it's time to see if we can get this thing in the corner. That's working for me, you guys. This tree sheds more than any artificial tree I've ever used before. It's out of control. Ooh, I think I'm gonna vacuum first, get my little tree skirt situation set up, and then I'll have to vacuum again later when I'm all done. Okay, now it's the moment of truth to see if my topper works out. Look at this thing. This thing is Target brand. Check out the original price. Okay, well, I don't think it's focusing, but it says $35. I got it at Goodwill for $7. If it works, money well spent. Hey-o! Did we get it? Yeah. What is this? I don't know what to do. All right. Oh, we got needles everywhere. So the problem now is I have clients in 15 minutes. So I think what I'm gonna do is just skip the ornaments until after I see clients. I'll just leave the tree like this, but I have a couple of touches that are gonna make it feel more like Christmas in here. So let's do that. Tree skirt, just a blanket. This used to live in this office on my couch. Festive, festive. All right, this is gonna be my teletherapy background for today. And then we'll put up some ornaments after I see clients. All right, catch you later. All right, it's like several hours later. I got all my goods covered in dog fur to cover the tree. I'm gonna have at it. It feels kind of festive. It's happening now that it's nighttime. All right, let's go. All right, my friends, I think I'm all done. In total, I spent about 2 or 2.5 hours on this, and oh yeah, by the way, let me show you something. Check this out. Oh, it's my pride and joy. I cheated because I said I wasn't gonna spend any more money, and I bought the yarn to make this blanket. This makes me happy. I'll put a link below to what pattern I used for that red blanket and what kind of yarn I used because I deviated from the pattern. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I'm so excited to have this super festive background in my teletherapy videos going forward for the rest of the month. I hope you all are doing what you can to bring a sense of peace, joy, and normalcy to whatever life is bringing you in this season. And yeah, hopefully my clients enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy it, that's for sure. And before we sign off today, I want to say a thank you to TherapyNotes.com for sponsoring this video. TherapyNotes.com provides help with scheduling, notes, and billing, and they have a HIPAA-secure telehealth platform, so that's one less thing that you have to worry about during the holidays. If you'd like to check out Therapy Notes, you can get 2 months to try Therapy Notes for free with no commitment just by clicking the link in the description of this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. I selfishly really enjoyed this process. Who doesn't love a good decorating party with a Christmas movie on? Let me know in the comments if you're doing anything special in your space to, you know, zhuzh it up for the holidays for your clients. And until next time, from one therapist to another, I wish you well.